Got a box in the mail today, and I figured I'd film probably a quick video because it is a small box. But this is from Captured by Radiance, so thank you so much for sending me this. I did not order this, but let's look what's inside. So Captured by Radiance is a Canadian / US company. It's run by two sisters. They have licensed diamond paintings, some really cool ones. So make sure you check them out. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is taped very well. So let's take a look what's inside. Oh my. Oh dear. Oh. Okay. So we have, okay, interesting. Wow, what are these? Are these crystals? Candy. We have a little note. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Okay. Lots of stuff. More stuff. Okay, oh, that is my address. We won't show that. Okay, so we have a little note that says, okay, I want to thank you for taking the time to unbox my pen. I hope it is to your liking. Your pen is called Vibrant Purple Buckeye Burl. Vibrant Purple Buckeye Burl. Try and say that 10 million times in a row. I've also included what I may put in some boxes when I ship out any orders. The free gifts are gemstones. Captured by Radiance is also selling gemstones. We do have a few online right now, and we'll be putting up more in stock very soon. I have a discount code for you. I'd like to offer a 15% discount on all turn pens. This does not include discount pens. The code for the pens will be through September 30th. Okay, September 30th is right around the corner, so don't wait. I would also like to include okay, and if you want to get gemstones at 20% off, the code is GEMS20. Okay, so then we have, wow, okay. I'm not going to read these because I think that they talk about what gemstones are included, but let's take a look at the diamond painting pen first. So we have a wax seal. That's really neat. It's a little diamond. Oh, I don't want to ruin it. There's another wax seal too. Okay, I really like how these pens are packaged. These are super cute. Oh my goodness. I don't want to break my nail. I don't really have nails, so I don't know what I'm worrying about. This is, okay. Shh, I'm just going to rip it. All right, so we have a bunch of pen tips. These are really cool. Thank you so much for including them. So there's a bent tip. I, for one, am not really a bent tip girl. I'm more of a traditional single tip. And then there is a 4-placer and a straightener, which is very, very handy. So thank you so much for sending me that. Now let's check out this pen. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Is this wood? Wood and resin? This is gorgeous. Purple is my favorite color. This is so gorgeous, guys. And again, if you want to get a pen from Captured by Radiance, the code is PEN15 and it's only valid until September 30th. Wow, this is gorgeous. This is so nice. And honestly, I really like this, the grip on the end here. I think that will make diamond painting so much quicker. I'll probably put a multi-placer on this end and then the single placer on this end because you guys know your girl is a multi-placer. But look how gorgeous this pen is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. So now let's check out, okay, this says sandstone on it. I like how it's labeled and it has a piece of wax to protect the tip. This is beautiful. Okay, sandstone. I'm going to forget. K2. A little tower. K2. And then we have, oh, here is, this is just a, is this a sticker? No, it's just a card that says live your dream. This is cute. I'm actually going to put this in my journal because I journal because I need to get in touch with my feelings. And then we have some gemstones in here. I believe this is, what is this? Rose quartz, a rose quartz heart. It's pink. I don't know if that's coming through on camera, but that is pink. Then we have clear quartz, smoky quartz. I don't know. It's not, it's kind of smoky. A little heart. And then we also have, I don't know what this is. This is really cool though. Fire quartz? I don't know. But this is really pretty. Okay, so now we go to these sheets, and I believe they talk about each crystal that was included. So the sandstone tower is this, and then there's a write-up about sandstone, and then there's a rose quartz heart. So I was right. This is the rose quartz heart. Look at all this information on the rose quartz heart. I really like that these are included. This is really nice. Okay, so then the small heart is African bloodstone. So this is African bloodstone, guys. And then there's more information about it as well. That's so neat. Okay, so make sure you guys go and check out Captured by Radiance. I'll put the link in the description box below. And again, if you want to get a turned pen, the code is pen15. And it's not applicable towards custom pens. And if you want to get gemstones, which is really exciting, you can use gem20 for 20% off. And again, let's take a look at that pen. Oh my goodness, this pen is gorgeous. Thank you again to Captured by Radiance for sending me this to share with you guys. I'm really excited about my pen. I'm really excited about these crystals. I have my own little collection going. So thank you again, and make sure you check them out. Link is in the description box below. And if you're new here and you like diamond painting, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!